2019 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-theft security system, cruise control, center armrest, trip computer, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, security system, power door locks, clock, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.